Good afternoon everyone. My name is Parth and I am from Gujarat. I have done advanced diploma program from International Institute of Hotel Management along with Bachelor of Tourism Study from Indira Gandhi National Open University. After that, I pursue a bartending course for Flair Mania Bartending School Mumbai. And today I am making cocktail rosemary Moscow. So first we take a beer mug, absolute vodka and ginger ale. Smoky taste in Moscow Mule. In this we use 15 ml of lime juice. Then we use 10 ml sugar syrup. Then we use 60 ml vodka. And top off with ginger ale. Garnish with rosemary and lime slice. Basically, Moscow Mule was not popular in US at that time of 1940 because whiskey hold a very good market as America. So the people from America who promote the vodka and ginger beer. But here I use ginger instead of ginger beer. I use ginger ale to popularize this drink not in Moscow or Russia but in US for the marketing policy in 1940. And here is a drink.